Ladies and gentlemen, here today we have the amazing Lady G to help guide us on how to create a dataset and devise research hypotheses for our Statistics 212 class. Thank you for being here with us. We really appreciate it.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you, Aurora.
So I've heard that you already have your own research topic, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Fantastic. Would you mind if I asked you a few questions about your research topic? I'm sure the students would appreciate whatever you have to say.
I don't mind at all.
Okay. So first off, what exactly is the topic of your data?
It is based upon the relationship between alcohol outlets and population density in New Jersey.
Interesting. And is the data quantitative or qualitative?
Quantitative. The alcohol outlets are organized by zip code.
And what research questions do you want to answer from your data?
I want to determine if alcohol outlet density is related to lower educational attainment, high prevalence minorities, and lower income.
So what would your hypothesis be?
My hypothesis is that there is an increase in alcohol retail outlets in zip code regions with less educated and poor New Jersey residents.
Which variables did you use to test your hypothesis?
My selected variables include retail outlet stores that sell packaged goods, and bars or taverns where alcohol is consumed on the premises. These alcohol dispensaries are then matched to descriptive data related to educational attainment, average income, and percent minority in that geocoded region.
And what is your unit of analysis?
My unit of analysis would be the New Jersey state zip codes.
What are the measures available in the dataset to answer your questions?
The measures available are addresses, which are provided only in some cases, and zip code, which is researched for that address using the Internet Yellow Pages. The outlets are then grouped by zip code, and each zip code region is matched to socio-demographic data for that area according to the census data.
And from where is the sample drawn?
The alcohol data originates from the tax records of the New Jersey Department of Treasury's Division of Taxation, and the census data is collected by the U.S. Department of Commerce compiled by zip code.
When were the data collected?
The alcohol data were collected during the 2008 calendar years, where the U.S. Census data, which were drawn from the current population survey, which is conducted every year.
So why is this research important?
This study addresses a policy question: will reducing the number of alcohol retail outlets decrease violent crime in an area?
So if you don't mind my asking, how are the phenomenon related? How are the associations measured?
The variables are related based on evidence in the literature that suggests more violent crime is committed in areas where alcohol is sold and thus readily consumed.
Are these data primary or secondary?
The data are secondary, collected by two different government agencies.
What types of methods would you apply to these data?
The methods applied will include correlation, two proportions z-test, and regression analysis.
Great. Thank you so much for being here with us. It has been a pleasure talking with you.
It has been a pleasure for me as well. Thank you for having me.